40 isn't just a number. It's a significant milestone that often signals the halfway point to retirement. As you approach this age, it's crucial to have a clear financial plan in place to ensure a comfortable and secure future. So today I'll take you to 10 money goals you need to check off your list. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Create and use a budget. Budgeting is a fundamental financial skill that often gets overlooked. By the time you reach your 40s, you should have a well-defined monthly budget that outlines your income and expenses. This budget should cover essential categories such as rent or mortgage, utilities, bills, groceries, transportation, leisure activities, and investments. Your budget serves as the foundation for various financial goals, including paying off debt, building an emergency fund, and planning for retirement. It's crucial to take the time to assess your spending habits and determine where you can make adjustments. If you've never budgeted before, now is an excellent time to start. Budgets are flexible, allowing you to learn from mistakes and refine your financial strategy. Number 2. Have a fully funded emergency fund. One of the first financial goals you should prioritize is building a fully funded emergency fund. This fund serves as a safety net in times of unexpected financial crises, such as job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent travel needs. By the time you reach your 40s, your emergency fund should ideally cover at least 6 months' worth of your living expenses. In your 20s, it might seem challenging to accumulate this amount, but by your 30s, you should make it a priority. To reach this goal, consider setting aside 3 to 6 months your current monthly salary, starting with a recurring deposit and consistently adding to it each month to help you achieve this objective. A robust emergency fund not only provides financial security, but also reduces stress and enables you to focus on future financial decisions. Number 3. Open a Roth IRA. Investing in your future retirement is essential, and one of the most tax-efficient ways to do this is by opening a Roth IRA or individual retirement account. A Roth IRA allows you to contribute after-tax dollars, and while you won't receive an immediate tax deduction, your contributions will grow tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are tax-free as well. It's essential to start a Roth IRA as early as possible to take full advantage of compound interest. By contributing regularly over the years, you can significantly boost your retirement savings. Just keep in mind that Roth IRAs have income limits, so it's crucial to open one while you're still eligible. Number 4. Buy life insurance. Life insurance becomes increasingly expensive as you approach your 40s, making it essential to address this aspect of your financial plan. Your responsibilities, both financial and familial, tend to grow significantly over this period. You work diligently to provide a comfortable life for your family, and it's equally important to protect them from unforeseen events like illness or untimely death. Term life insurance is often a suitable choice for many individuals. To determine the right coverage for your needs, consider your most substantial financial commitments and the loved ones you want to safeguard. Do you aspire to have your mortgage paid off for your children and grandchildren? Do you intend to provide for your children's college education or ensure financial security for your partner and yourself in case of a job loss or disability? A term insurance policy offers financial stability to your family in the event of your premature passing. Additionally, health insurance plays a pivotal role in managing rising medical expenses, ensuring that hospitalizations and critical illness treatments do not become unbearable burdens. Number 5. Open a college savings plan. Providing your children with a quality education is a significant financial responsibility that requires careful planning. By the time you reach your 40s, your children may be on the brink of starting college, and your retirement may be looming on the horizon. Balancing these financial objectives can be a challenging but crucial decision to make. To prepare for your children's education expenses, consider opening a 529 college savings plan. This tax-advantaged account allows you to save for your child's education while enjoying potential tax benefits. The funds in a 529 plan can be used for various education-related expenses, including tuition, books, dormitory fees, and vocational schools. It's important to start saving for your children's education as early as possible to ensure that they have a secure financial foundation for their future. This financial commitment will provide them with valuable opportunities and reduce the need for substantial student loans. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, develop a proper investment portfolio. By the time you reach your 40s, you should have established a well-rounded investment portfolio, tailored to your financial capacity, risk tolerance, and goals. Your portfolio should include a mix of debt and equity securities to diversify your investment effectively. Additionally, consider accelerating the repayment of outstanding debts in your 40s. Reducing debt not only frees up financial resources for investment, but also improves your overall financial health. Mistakes made at this stage of your financial life can have significant repercussions in your later years. So it's essential to seek guidance from investment professionals who can help you navigate financial challenges and create an effective money management plan. Number 7, retirement planning. While retirement planning may not have been a priority in your 20s and 30s, as you approach your 40s, it becomes imperative. Successful retirement planning requires patience and a long-term perspective. The longer you delay making investments for your retirement, the more challenging it becomes to reach your retirement goals. By your 30s, you should have already begun investing in long-term vehicles, such as the Public Provident Fund, Employees Provident Fund, the National Pension System, equity mutual funds, and other suitable options. These investments should grow steadily over time, providing you with the financial security you'll need during your retirement years. It's essential to calculate the amount of money you'll require for retirement in your 60s, adjusting for inflation and your desired lifestyle. If you haven't started saving for retirement yet, seek guidance from a financial counselor to determine the optimal saving strategy for your situation. Number 8, student loan repayment. Student loans have become a common financial burden, with the average graduate carrying around $37,000 in student loan debt. While many graduates opt for income-based repayment plans or delay repayment altogether, it's essential to have a concrete plan in place to pay off your student loans before you turn 40. A standard repayment plan typically spans 10 years, making it a reasonable target. Review your loan terms to see if this is possible for you. If it's not, aim to get as close to it as you can. The objective here is to eliminate this debt efficiently so that you can reallocate those resources towards other financial goals, such as saving for retirement, purchasing a home, or simply enjoying life without the weight of student loan debt hanging over you. Number 9, save at least 10% of your income for retirement. As you reach your 40s, it's essential to increase your focus on retirement planning. One significant milestone to aim for is setting aside at least 10% of your income for retirement. While this may seem like a substantial portion of your earnings, it's a prudent move that will pay off handsomely in the long run. Let's break it down. If your annual income is $75,000, this translates to 10% being $625 per month. Saving 10% of your income means putting away $7,500 every year for retirement. Incorporating this into your budget and consistently sticking to it is crucial. If you haven't reached this 10% threshold yet, it's never too late to start. Consider increasing your retirement contributions incrementally every 6 months to ease your way into higher savings rates. And number 10, invest in yourself. By the time you reach 40, you've likely spent the last decade or two focusing on the needs and aspirations of others or advancing in your career. Now is the time to prioritize investing in yourself. This lifelong endeavor involves various facets, including personal growth, education, and self care. Consider setting aside time for learning something new, reading books that broaden your horizons, or simply taking a break to relax and recharge. Your personal development complements your financial planning. A well rounded individual is better equipped to make informed decisions and navigate life's challenges. Additionally, take a close look at your budget, as it plays a pivotal role in your overall well being. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is not just good for your physical and mental health, but it also reduces medical expenses in the long run. Prioritize exercise, a balanced diet, and mental health so you can enhance your quality of life. This is also an opportune moment to explore acquiring new skills or exploring new side hustles. The more versatile your skill set is, and the broader your interests and aspirations are, the better prepared you'll be to adapt to unexpected changes or opportunities that life may present. Well, that's basically 10 money goals you need to check off your list. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.